Uh, Hello, good evening, all of you students. Uh, this is my YouTube channel, Dinesh Sir Math Sir. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. And I'm going to make a video related to class 10 topic of math subjects. And my topic is angle between two straight lines. Angle between two straight lines. This is my topic for today, and I hope you will understand this topic. And if you have problem, then please write on the comment box, and please subscribe my channel and share this video among your friends. And I'm going to start this topic, angle between two straight lines. And for that, first of all, we have to understand about this straight line. You know, a straight line means it is always straight like this. This is the straight line, but this straight line have two properties. Okay, properties is that if the slope of this straight line m is 2 and its equation is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Suppose the slope of this straight line is 2 and its equation is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Then the equation and slope of this line remains same if you produce it in either direction. If you produce this line in this both direction, then the slope and equation of this line remains same. Or you can say slope or equation of this whole line is just equal to the slope and equation of this small portion. I mean, slope and equation of this small portion will be same as the slope and equation of this longer portion. So the straight line have two things always remain same, that is slope and equation of straight lines. Equation. Okay, now what do you mean by this slope m? How to find this m? I will make the separate video about this slope, and right now we have to understand how to find out the slope, I mean m. So in a straight line we have two methods how to find out the slope. How to find the slope. Two methods are there. At first, if 2 points are given, if 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given, then suppose this is a line passing through the 2 points. It is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2, and then we can find out slope, that is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the first method to find out the slope of any straight line. First condition you can say. And one more condition is there, that is if equation of line given. If equation of a line is given, then slope m will be minus x coefficient by y coefficient. This is the slope of straight line, slope of line. Please copy it. Okay, I am going to continue. I am going to write one example of this one. I am going to write example of this one, how to find the slope if equation of a straight line given. Suppose this is our example and the question is 3x is equal to 2y plus 5 and we have to find out the slope. Find the slope. Okay, to find out the slope, one thing, important thing is that we have to write the x part and y part in the same side. Suppose, see here, this is 3x and in that side, right side, this is 2y. So, we have to shift this x and y in the same side. I mean to say, this is 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. X and y, these both parts should be at the same side. Now we can find out slope and we have slope m is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient. So we can write here m is equal to minus and we have x coefficient is 3 and the y coefficient is minus 2. See nicely. This minus is in the formula only and the x coefficient we have is 3 and the y coefficient we have, that is minus 2. So it became 3 by 2. This minus minus has been cancelled. So the slope of line became 3 by 2. In these two ways we can find out the slope of any straight line. Okay, and what do you mean by slope? What is the concept of slope? I will make separate video on this slope topic and I will show you one experiment also why the slope of a straight line always remains same. On that video, I will make it separately on the topic of slope and I will show you why the slope of line remains same if you produce it in either direction. If you produce the line, then the slope remains same. Why? I will show you experiment about that. Okay, let's move toward our topic. And this is the two methods to find out the slope of a straight line. And now I am going to tell about the angle between two straight lines. This topic belongs to class 10 optional mathematics, and in optional mathematics the angle between two straight lines, how to find out the angle between two straight lines, and this was the basic things. First of all, we should know how to find out the slope of line, and the slope of line can be found out in two ways. And the first way was there, if 2 points are given, then we can write m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and the second method was minus x coefficient by y coefficient. These two formulas are there to find out the slope of any lines, a straight line you can say. Now our topic is angle between two straight lines, right? Angle between two straight lines. Two straight lines. Now, see next. If we draw any two line in plane surface means copy our board. This is whiteboard and this is plane surface. If you draw any straight line, then there will be only three conditions. You can draw the two lines in three ways only. There is no fourth way. No fourth option. That is, first option is, if you have drawn two lines, then either it will be parallel or it will be perpendicularly or it will be bisect in such way that at one side it will make acute angle, then obviously in the next side it will make obtuse angle. Once again, if we have drawn two straight lines on a board or plane surface in your paper also, then there will be three options only. First options will be either you can draw a parallel line, or you can draw perpendicular line, or you can draw these two lines, intersected line, in such way that one side will make acute, then other side will make obtuse. There is no fourth option. Suppose randomly I have drawn this line and this line. Then you can think which option I have drawn. Try to understand. Right now they are not intersected. Then don't tell that this is fourth option. No. If you produce it, if you produce it, then naturally this will from any of these three options. I hope you are getting. So there is no fourth option that you can draw two lines except these three options. Only three options are there. If you have drawn two straight lines, then you can draw only in these three options. Okay. Now, see next. Now, if these two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. M1 is equal to M2. M1 is slope of one line and M2 is slope of other line. And I have already told about the M. We can find out the M by two methods, and previous it was explained. Now, and the second condition, if the lines are perpendicular, then there is condition M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. Again, this M1 is slope of one line and M2 is slope of another line. Now, this acute and obtuse, this angle, acute angle and obtuse angle, we can find out by this formula, that is plus minus M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 into M2, where this plus occur acute angle, and but this minus always gives obtuse angle. Later on I will prove these three conditions also, because it is also important for SEE. This M1 equal to M2, how it became M1 equal to M2, and M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1, how it is possible. Similarly, tan theta is equal to plus minus M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 into M2, how it became. I will prove it, and before let's do some exercise and practice about this. How to find out the angle, how to show the parallelism, and how to show the perpendicular. And you should know the perpendicular, its synonym is orthogonal. This is the synonyms of perpendicular. Perpendicular word and orthogonal word, they are synonyms. So, how to prove this perpendicular and orthogonal lines? Okay, so I hope you have already understand this one. Perpendicular and orthogonal. Try to understand. They are synonyms. Okay, so uh, actually today right now I don't have book, and I have photos of practice book. Please wait. Read more practice book, and I will teach you from that practice book SEE exercise, and I have some photos. Please wait for a while. Okay, I have photos, and here. First question, read more practice book, page number 151. Page number 151, that is SEE exercise. And you can read question number first 1a. The slope of two straight lines are root 3 and 1 by root 3 respectively. Find the acute angle between them. Two slopes are given. See, 1a I am going to solve. There is two slopes. M1 is equal to root 3 and M2 is equal to 1 by root 3. Slope is already given there. No need to find out the slope. Please try to understand. No need to find out the slope of a straight line. The slopes are already given here. And question is asking that find out the acute angle between them. How to find out the acute angle? We have already studied the formula tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2, etc. So I am going to use same formula. Tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2, and no need to write down the plus minus while finding the angle. Let's put the values. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 by 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3. So, we can solve it. That is 3 minus 1 by root 3 by root 3 cancel. That is 1 plus 1. It became 2 by root 3 into 1 by 2. 2 is also cancelled. And the tan theta became 1 by root 3. So, one important thing, see here, tan theta came 1 by root 3 and we know the value of 1 by root 3. What is the value of 1 by root 3 in a tan theta? We know these things. So, we can write here, tan theta is equal to, this is the value of tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree, and the theta became 30 degree. But one thing I want to tell you, if suppose tan theta is equal to came 1 by 3 and we know 1 by 3 is not any value. We know 1 by 3 is not any value. On that situation, we can write theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by root 3. See, sorry, tan inverse 1 by 3. If this tan theta results not invaluable, then we can write theta is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. In this way, we can solve these questions. And one more thing, this is the acute angle. If question asking obtuse angle, then this 30 degree is the acute angle we know. And in this question asking acute angle also. But if question asks find the obtuse angle, then what to do? Then this is the acute angle, then its obtuse angle will be 180 minus 30 and it became 150. In this way, we can find out obtuse angle also, we can find out acute angle also. So, I think you have understood these things and I hope you will subscribe my channel and you will share this video among your friends and press the bell icon also. So if I will make a new video again, it's second part, another part, then you will get notification about that. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also and share this video among your friends. And again I will make a next topic or you can say next part of this same topic. And so many exercises are there in the read more practice book, and I will solve all the problem from this read more practice book, and I hope you will get knowledge from there. Thank you.